Success and efficiency in nut cracking by wild capuchin monkeys. Using stone tools to crack palm nuts and other fruits is a behavior that occurs in just a few primate species. Because it is important in human evolutionary history, we can learn about its evolution by studying our primate relatives. Capuchin monkeys from several populations in the Brazilian savannas, Cerrado and Caatinga, perform this behavior. But until now, we only have data on success and efficiency from two populations. In this work, we obtained this data from two new populations of capuchin monkeys in Brazil, one in the Cerrado, in the Chapada dos Veadeiros National Park, and another in the Caatinga, in the Ubajara National Park. We installed dozens of camera traps aimed at nut cracking sites to film the behavior of the monkeys breaking palm nuts for several weeks. We wanted to know if when they cracked similar nuts, they had the same success and efficiency in both populations. We also wanted to know if there were differences in these factors between the sexes. We predicted that males, which are on average larger than females, would be more successful and efficient at nut cracking tougher palm nuts, but we expected no differences for less tough nuts. According to our predictions, we found no differences in success between populations in breaking the hardest nut, but the success was different from another already known population, probably because the nuts there are easier to break. Contrary to our prediction, the population of Chapada dos Veadeiros was much more efficient than the others, giving fewer hits to open the palm nuts. For the less resistant nuts, as expected, the success and efficiency were similar. We had conflicting results regarding sexual differences. In Chapada dos Veadeiros, no difference was observed, but in Ubajara, the males were more successful and efficient in breaking not only the harder, but also the less resistant palm nuts, which was unexpected. Comparing these results with those of other populations, we conclude that body size and fruit resistance alone do not explain all the differences in the success and efficiency of palm nut cracking. Other factors, such as raw material availability, technique, and probably cultural factors, can also affect the behavior of those populations. If you want to know more, download and read the open access paper by the link at the end of the video or in your profile link.